Imagine having one workspace where you can write notes, brainstorm ideas, build mind maps, manage projects, and even get help from AI, all without switching apps. That's exactly what Hive AI promises. Today I'm giving you a quick breakdown of Hive AI and why it's getting so much attention as a powerful, all-in-one productivity workspace. Hive AI is an AI-powered productivity and collaboration workspace that combines documents, whiteboards, and project planning into one smart canvas. Think of it as a mix between a note-taking app and a visual brainstorming board, but enhanced with built-in AI. Hive AI works through a unified workspace where everything flows together. You start by creating a canvas where you can write notes, sketch ideas, or plan projects. From there, you can switch between document mode and visualization mode, depending on how you want to work. The built-in AI helps you summarize text, rewrite content, generate ideas, and even create presentations or mind maps. You can collaborate with teammates in real time, organize your work into structured databases, and access everything from your browser or devices. It's designed to match how you naturally think, whether that's structured planning or free-form creativity. One of Hive AI's biggest strengths is its all-in-one canvas. You can write documents, draw on an infinite whiteboard, and organize databases in the same workspace. It also includes powerful AI tools. You can edit text with AI for better tone and clarity, chat with AI for instant insights, generate mind maps, and quickly turn ideas into action plans. Hive AI supports brainstorming and visualization with an infinite board where you can sketch and map complex ideas. It also includes collaboration features so teams can work together in real time. Another key feature is cross-device access. You can use Hive AI on desktop, mobile, or in your browser, so your workspace is always available wherever you are. Right now, Hive AI is available on StackSocial as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and keep access forever. The unlimited plan is priced at $78, down from $609 for an 87% savings. There are also lower-tier plans available, but the unlimited option gives you the most flexibility with unlimited documents and visualization boards. Overall, Hive AI is a powerful workspace for organizing ideas, managing projects, and boosting productivity with built-in AI. If you want one tool that combines documents, whiteboards, and smart assistants in a single platform, Hive AI is definitely worth a look. Check out the link in the description to see the deal for yourself. And if this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech reviews.